Welcome to the Wimmera and another Mike on a Bike adventure. This time I'm out on the Grampians Rail Trail, which is just a short trail that runs from just out of Stawell out to Mount Bryden Road on the way towards the Grampians. So it's only a short 10k ride. So what I've done is I've ridden from the Mount Bryden Road Car Park in here to the car park on Grampians Road just outside Stawell. So having another wonderful day out in the countryside, enjoying fabulous views, mountains, trees, plenty of water about. Great day for a ride.
Despite what I just said, the ride was an out and return over 20 kilometres, taking about an hour. That's why there are these 3 maps from the journey. This is the starting point at the Mount Bryden car park, and then it moves into both open and closed forested areas. It's really quite beautiful, but we're coming up to the highlight. The track goes right through the middle of a wetland, and there were just fabulous sounds of birds and frogs. I'll just let you take in the image of it all yourselves. With there being a large wetland, there are also a number of boardwalks that I had to go over this time, and a few bridges as per normal. But as you can see, the terrain is just simply beautiful. Magnificent gums, wattles, a whole range of plants. There are lots of interpretive signs along the way too to tell you what you're looking at as you're going along. So overall, a great ride on the Grampians Rail Trail.